Master of the universe, thank you for the gift of this beautiful new day. Thank you for the breath in my lungs, for strength in my body, and for hope you place within my heart. As I begin this day, please guide every step I take. Help me trust you even when I cannot see what lies ahead. I place my thoughts into your hands. I place my words into your hands. I place my actions into your hands. I place my family into your hands. I place my worries, my fears, and my dreams into your hands. Help me to let go of what I cannot control and to trust that you are leading me in the right direction. Fill my heart with peace. Fill my mind with wisdom. Help me to be patient, kind, grateful throughout this day. Help me to become a better parent, a better friend, a better person. May my words bring encouragement. May my actions bring goodness. May my heart remain open to your guidance. Whatever today brings, I choose to trust only you. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your guidance. Thank you for this beautiful day. So it is.